So I am in the process of moving, and part of that is getting my house ready to sell. Before I can sell it though, I've got a lot of stuff to fix. I've got little kids at home, and our family motto is that we just can't have nice things. And in this video, I'm gonna be replacing the blinds in my boys' room. So this is my boys' room. This is the blinds in their room. And as you can see, they've totally destroyed it. They've broken this, they sag, there's some broken slats. That's the problem. It needs to be replaced. And so the first step is really to measure the space and make sure that you buy some blinds that are the right size. And what you're measuring is you're measuring the distance from here to here, just the size of the window opening itself, which here is about 35¼ inches or so. Now they'll actually cut them for you at the hardware store if you need them to, but keep in mind that the blinds themselves are usually about ½ inch shorter than the measurement on the box. So if I'm measuring the space at 35 inches wide, the blinds are ½ inch shorter, which would give me ½ inch of space on each side. And that's exactly what you want. You don't want your blinds to be so tight that you can't roll them up or down. There needs to be a little bit of flexibility. Now when you open up the box, you're going to find these clips here. These clips are placed in the corners of the window, and that's what the blinds actually sit in. You're going to attach it to the wall with these screw holes using these screws that are provided you. It's best, in my opinion, to use a drill, but a lot of time the screws that they give you are really soft. And so maybe at the end use a hand screw because it can kind of strip them if you're not careful. So because I'm replacing these blinds and not actually putting in new blinds where there haven't been blinds before, I already have these boxes. And so I'm just going to leave them and use the ones that I already have. To open them, what you'll do is kind of press on the bottom just enough so that that clip gets opened. So just press there, open it up. Blinds in, make sure that they're facing the right direction. These ones here have a place for the pull, and so I'll put that in here. So that's it, easy peasy. Now, if by chance you happen to buy blinds or your window opening is kind of odd, where the blinds you buy are longer than the shape of the window, this one actually happens to be perfect. But if there is space left at the bottom, there is a way to actually take out some of those slats. There's instructions included with your blinds. You can check out how to do that. I don't need to do that, so I'm not going to demonstrate it, but it is possible. If you like this video, make sure that you give me a like, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, check out the other videos I have. I've got a lot more work to do to my house to get ready to sell. Now I just hope the kids don't ruin them before we put our house on the market.